Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Cane and Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville espresso machine. It comes to us with heavy leak from many spots. And I found the diffuser, this one under the shower screen, broken. And the machine was like full of scale, even on the top of the steaming boiler, because it was like leaking the outside. So it was a need to replace all the o-rings in it. So I don't know if it's like, if you can see all of this o-rings. During replacing that, I got this one of these hoses like stuck inside. There is like piece of metal here, so it takes a process to take it off, and one of these also was leaking, so I took it out. And this one too wasn't like fitting perfect, so I replaced all of these three and deep clean for the steam on the whole machine. So let's go ahead and test it. We can espresso shot on it. We need to select espresso. It's perfect. It's hard with the new gasket a little bit, so it's pro. Let's see. Stable and nice flow. It's a nice shot with the crema. Let's try this. The steamer works perfect and clean itself. And the hot water, let me see. All the functions works perfect. The machines, I don't know, for me it needs to little bit calibration, but I prefer to keep it as the customer calibrated for himself. Thank you for watching.